So you have your staff area over here with the staff quarters, service area, what have you. But here on the pool level, you have more rooms. So you have another guest bedroom here with an ensuite toilet and bath with a direct view of the swimming pool. You have a gazebo over there that acts as your gym or yoga studio, again, right in front of the swimming pool. So it's a very serene area. And then right off the corner, there are 2 more bedrooms with an ensuite. And they could be guest rooms also. Actually, you know what? This house has a lot of rooms. And this is in Alabang, and it might just be the house you need. For today's house tour, we'll be going around a corner lot with a house that has a lot of layers and a lot of angles. You'll see in a bit. And the thing about this house is they made sure to not remove any of the existing trees, just like this one. So under the tree, you'll find your pedestrian entrance, and then over here on the left side, you'll find your automated gate, which will fit 3 to 4 vehicles depending on how you slot them. But okay, let's go inside. It just rained though, so it's a little wet. Gotta be a little careful. Okay, so upon entering, you will immediately see this. But this is not your main entrance. Though you could use that as an office, you'll see later on what it looks like. Because it is convenient for clients to come in and out of, to be fair. Oops. So you have a garden here in the corner. And then you have a pathway leading up to the main entrance. So it's these grand double doors. And again, you have your car slot or your carport here on the left side. Okay, so shoes are not allowed. So let us take our shoes off first. Right. So as soon as you enter, you have your foyer over here. Nice and bright, diba? Well, granted, medyo pagabi na kasi. So the contrast is night and day, literally. Okay, pero baliktad. Okay, so you have your foyer over here, and you kind of see a little bit of what's going on past these slats. But essentially, the first thing you will see is this office area. So it's this room in the corner, which again has a view of your garden. Kaso kasi madilim na, no? And that is the door that we saw earlier. So when you open this, you're going to be led back out to the pedestrian gate that we came in from. So you see what I mean by this being a good office, just in case you needed that. But if you didn't, it could be any room, could be an entertainment room. It's up to you, really. So it's quite flexible. And then a few steps from that area, you'll find your main stairs going up to the 2nd floor. You'll also find another exit or exterior door that will lead you out to the backyard or back to the garden. It'll lead you around your property. And then here you have a sort of atrium that's double height, high ceiling. It acts as your sort of not receiving area, pwede na rin, but it sort of acts as a central area, mostly for the office, the foyer, the main stairs, etc., the other bedrooms. It's not your living area. You'll see that in a bit. Okay, but before we head up the stairs, let's check out the first door that we'll see from here. And this is one of the bedrooms. Actually, you could treat this as a primary bedroom because you do have enough space for an entertainment area. So this might be where you'd want to put your flat screen TV. Tapos swivel siya, umiikot siya to face the bedroom area or the bed area. This room also has access to its own balcony facing the backyard. And then, which I believe you've seen in the B-rolls. And it has an ensuite toilet and bath with closet space, and then the toilet and bath itself. You have 2 sinks or dual sinks, a urinal, a toilet, and an enclosed shower space. And take note, ang mga windows, they mostly use jalousie windows. So usually glass, but you'll see later that they use a special kind of jalousie in one of the rooms. Okay. So again, this is just like one of the rooms here on the ground floor if you needed it, which is great actually. It's perfect as a primary bedroom or as a room for your grandparents or anyone who might be differently abled and can't climb up the stairs. Okay, so for your guests, you have a powder room with a sink, a urinal, and a toilet. And yes, it is in the middle of this floor, so it is quite accessible for everyone. Right in front of that, you have your actual living area, and this is what I mean. It's parang central, ano lang yun eh, parang receiving area lang eh, you know what I mean? But this is the actual living area. So lots of space for a huge TV. You have double height high ceiling, you have a chandelier that shows that off. And then you have access to a balcony that again has a view of your backyard and looks over your swimming pool. From your living, you have access to an enclosed dining area. So you can close this off or open them all up. It's up to you if you have a party or if you want a more private conversation, you have that option. Again, this one goes out to the balcony too and back onto the area that we came from, yung may powder room. And then this is your kitchen. The counter is actually quite high, which is great because it's easy to prepare, but that's also the reason why I might look a little shorter than usual. And again, this is fantastic, especially kung medyo mas matangkad yung mga nagluluto. So you have an island counter here in the middle with your built-in stove. On the other side, you have lots of counter space, lots of storage, and then this is where your sink is right in front of, again, your jalousie window. So nandito na yung mga built-in mo, your oven, your microwave, and I think another oven. And then you have your space for your refrigerator. Now from here, you have a door with a glass panel that leads to your daily kitchen. So this one is a little bit more industrial. Puro stainless steel siya. So again, lots of surface area to work on. You have your sink and then you have provision for your stove. If you go back out here, you'll notice that is the main stairs you see in the distance. There is another set of stairs right here, so I will need you to take note of that. Tandaan yan mamaya. That's gonna, babalikin sa storya. Okay, but from your daily kitchen, you have another door that leads to your service area. Oops, sorry. So this is actually more of your laundry room. So meron ka ng sink, may provision for your washing machines, plus meron na ring hanging rods and shelves, again, for your laundry. I think this one goes back out to the side of your house. Okay, so let's go back and check this one out. Okay, so just in case naliligaw kayo, that's the powder room that we checked out earlier, okay? So ito yung stairs going up the second floor. Mamaya na yan. For now, let's check this one out. So this goes back out to your carport. So if you had groceries, dito na kayo dadaan para mas mabilis. And this is also where you can access the staff area. And I wanted to show you kasi malaki siya. So this is the shared staff area. So may built-in sink na for workspace. It's quite breezy in here kasi dumadaan lang yung hangin. Nandito na rin yung access for the tank and what have you. As you can see, everything's here already. Easy to maintain, and it's indoors. And then these two doors are staff rooms with ensuite toilet and bath. I don't know if you can tell, pero ang laki ng space sa loob. Okay, so this has been the lower floor. And as you might have seen from the intro clip, meron ding guest bedroom na nakaharap sa pool and may dalawa para na nakatago. So you have a lot of guest bedrooms. Okay, so let's head up the second floor. Not counting this one because this is the lower floor. Okay, so now we're back on the main floor. Before we head up, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see firsthand. Follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Alabang, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. Okay, so we're gonna climb up the main stairs para hindi tayo malito sa layout. But again, take note of the stairs kanina. Okay, so if sa ground floor, nandun yung mga common areas or where you would hang out. Siyempre, sa second floor, nandito naman yung private spaces. And remember what I said about this house having a lot of layers? Just look at this. Daming lines and daming layers. It looks like a Japanese painting na the further it goes, palabo ng palabo. Medyo may ganun siyang vibe. which is kind of crazy in a good way. Okay, so this floor has all of the bedrooms as well as open areas that's meant for also sharing the space with your family. This is your family area. Daming outlets, you could have your sofa set up here with your TV, your console, your gaming area, what have you, again, somewhere where you can hang out with family. And across the floor, you have an office area. So it's in this big open space, pero may designated area siya. So play or family area, office area. Cute. Okay, but here, we have one of the bedrooms. So you'll notice that on the second floor, mostly wooden flooring na siya, solid wooden flooring. So seamless na yan going into all the bedrooms. Okay, so you have this much space, you have access to a balcony, and this one, again, this is a corner property, so madilim na kasi, no? But this one peers over the corner of the property. And then on this side, you have a walk-through closet, so open shelving and drawers. And then you have an ensuite toilet bath with a sink, a urinal, an enclosed shower, and a toilet. And then across this room, also right next to the main stairs. By the way, look at the main stairs. Puro fixed to. Tapos yung sa rightmost side, puro jalousie. Wala lang, ang ganda nung cross ventilation. Kasi majority nga jalousie. So over here you have another bedroom. And the ceiling is unique. Like it follows the roof line. Kaya kakaiba siya. Mas mataas doon than it is here. Okay, so the bed area itself, you would want to put your headboard here. And then dito yung entertainment, your TV, etc. Again, you have access to a balcony. This one peers over the backyard or your swimming pool. You have your built-in wardrobe here. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your urinal, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Sulat talaga si John eh, which I appreciate. Para makita niya daw talaga. Tagun-tago eh. Okay, so right next to this one, we have the third bedroom on this floor. So upon opening the door, meron ka agad wardrobe dito sa kanan. And then you have more of it, more built-ins here. So it acts as your wardrobe as well as your desk where you can perhaps put your computer. Again, you have a balcony and then your headboard is probably gonna go here. So nakaharap dun. And then you have more built-in shelves. Then you have an ensuite toilet and bath, again with a sink, a toilet, a urinal, and your enclosed shower space. And as you might notice, none of the rooms look alike at all. Iba-iba talaga yung layout niya. Pero lahat sila may urinal. You don't often see that in house tours, right? Okay, so now we're at the point of this, or nandito na tayo sa area ng floor na to where you can see your living area. So open below siya, you can admire your chandelier and see everyone hanging out in the living room. And then this is the office area that I was saying earlier. So now that you're here, you can see naman the people hanging out in the family area while working here. So it's like you're sharing a space, but you're not cramped together. Parang ganyan yung feeling. And then this is the second set of stairs that I was telling you about non-stop kanina. So when you go down, you're gonna end up by the kitchen / dining area. So it's pretty convenient actually. Hindi na malaki yung ikot mo. And then over here we have 4 more doors. And this is your theater room. Nag-ibagad yung audio, no? Iba kasi yung walls eh, talagang treated siya. Even your ceiling is unique. It's very different. And everything's padded. I'm pretty sure that if I walked up here, the sound's gonna be pretty neat. Or maybe a little muffled, I don't know. Okay, so I was talking about jalousies earlier, and this is what I was talking about. Jalousie din to. And it is also still glass. Pero it's made to look like solid planks of wood. You hear that? It's glass. So that's pretty cool. Kahit dito may jalousie, but they made it to look solid kasi nga theater. Okay. So next to this one, diba agad yung audio, may echo dun sa loob wala. This is a maintenance room. Nandiyan lang yung outdoor unit ng aircon. And then here is another bedroom. Okay, so on the left, you have your wardrobe as well as a full-length mirror. And then the built-ins are on this side. Tas dito yung headboard mo, presumably. So, ganun. Again, you have another balcony. Most of the bedrooms have access to their own balcony, actually. And then another built-in for your wardrobe, shelves, and then your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, enclosed shower space, urinal, and toilet. Again, very different layout. Same fixtures, different layout. And last but not least, another bedroom with a lot of built-ins. So this entire wall is basically just wardrobe. It's all built in and a desk. And that is where your headboard will go. And again, you have a view of your swimming pool. I don't know if you can tell. Sobrang padilim na, pero ang ganda ng sky. Hindi na siguro kita. Anyway, across your beautiful view, if you could see it, is your ensuite toilet and bath with your enclosed shower space, toilet, urinal, and your sink. And as you might have noticed, ganito yung style of sinks na nilagay nila, which is a little industrial. It's very easy to maintain and clean. Okay, daming bedrooms, diba, sa floor na to? Tapos ang dami ring guest bedrooms. But we're not done. We still have one more floor to go. Okay. So this is the top floor and this leads out to the roof deck. Unfortunately, hindi pa nakaayos yung mga ilaw, so it's dark. Wala rin tayong makikita. But I think you can see it through this B-roll. Okay, yeah, so lots of place for entertaining family and guests, lots of place to hang out in, and I think now it's time for a recap. And this is your backyard. It's a huge space with a huge swimming pool. Again, a gazebo, that's basically your gym. And then right next to that, in the very corner, you have this, quarter court, half court. Basta basketball court where you can practice. And it even has space for a tree. Also, at the very corner, sa likod ng gazebo, may full toilet and bath with a sink, a urinal, a toilet, and a shower area. An enclosed one at that. And yeah, ang laki. So speaking of numbers, you have 1,050 square meters of floor area and 1,094 square meters of lot area. And that explains why ang dami nating inikot today. So you basically have a resort-like home. Kompleto na sa amenities. You have 6 bedrooms, 6 toilet and baths, a 4-vehicle carport, lots of guest bedrooms, staff area, service area, swimming pool, gazebo, basketball area, and lots of gardens all around. What more can you ask for? Again, this is in Alabang. So if you are interested, let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.